Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Today we're diving into something that affects all of us, the art of perseverance in learning English. We often start with tremendous enthusiasm, but then fatigue creeps in and we quit too early. The secret isn't about being superhuman. It's about changing when you choose to stop completely. There's a powerful principle I want to share. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when done. This simple shift in mindset can transform your entire approach to language learning and life itself. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now let me explain why this philosophy works so brilliantly for English learners around the world today. When you feel exhausted during study sessions, your brain is actually still capable of more. Research shows that perceived tiredness often appears at just 50% of our actual capacity limit. Your mind sends false signals suggesting you need rest when you're barely halfway through potential. This is your brain's protective mechanism, designed to conserve energy for potential emergencies in future. Understanding this biological quirk helps you push through those difficult moments when quitting feels tempting. The key is recognizing the difference between genuine exhaustion and mere discomfort during challenging tasks. Tell me in the comments, have you experienced this false fatigue signal while studying English before? Setting small, achievable goals is your best weapon against premature quitting in any learning journey. Instead of saying, "I'll study English for 3 hours today," break it into manageable chunks. Try 15 minutes of vocabulary, then 15 minutes of listening practice, followed by another brief session. These micro goals create multiple finish lines, giving you frequent wins and dopamine releases throughout day. Each completed mini-task builds momentum, making the next one feel easier and more achievable psychologically. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and the like option now. Your brain loves completion, so feed it these small victories rather than overwhelming it constantly today. Remember why you started learning English in the first place. That initial spark holds incredible power. Maybe you dreamed of traveling confidently, communicating with friends abroad, or advancing in your career successfully. Write down your original motivation and place it somewhere visible during every single study session. When fatigue hits, read those words aloud and reconnect with that deeper purpose inside yourself. This technique works because it shifts focus from present discomfort to future reward and satisfaction. Your why is stronger than you're tired. Never forget this fundamental truth in challenging moments. Having a reward system transforms tedious practice into something you actually look forward to daily. After completing your English study goal, treat yourself to something genuinely enjoyable and personally meaningful. This could be your favorite snack, an episode of a beloved show, or time spent on a hobby you love. The anticipation of this prize creates positive associations with the challenging work you're doing. Your brain begins linking English practice with pleasure rather than pain and obligation constantly. I'd love to hear your creative reward ideas, so please share them in the comments below. Over time, this conditioning makes starting your study sessions easier because your mind knows satisfaction awaits. Consistency beats intensity every single time in language acquisition. This is scientifically proven beyond doubt. Studying 20 minutes daily for 30 days produces far better results than one 6-hour marathon. Your brain needs regular exposure to information for it to move from short-term into long-term memory. Sleep plays a crucial role here, as it consolidates learning from each day into permanent storage. When you study consistently, you're allowing your brain's natural learning processes to function optimally and efficiently. Skipping days disrupts this consolidation cycle, forcing your brain to essentially restart the process repeatedly. Think of it like watering a plant. Regular, small amounts work better than occasional flooding. The moment you feel like quitting is often precisely when breakthrough happens if you persist. Psychologists call this the plateau phase, where visible progress seems to stall frustratingly and completely. However, beneath the surface, your brain is actually making massive neural connections and pathways silently. These connections need time to strengthen before they manifest as noticeable improvement in your skills. If you quit during this invisible growth period, you waste all that neurological work already done. Push through just 5 more minutes when you want to stop, and you'll be amazed. Please leave a detailed comment about your experience with learning plateaus and how you overcame them. Language learning isn't linear. It's a spiral where you revisit concepts with deeper understanding gradually. Don't expect constant upward progress every single day, because that's simply not how brains work. Some days you'll feel fluent. Other days you'll struggle with basic words you knew yesterday. This fluctuation is completely normal and doesn't indicate failure or declining ability in any way. Your brain is reorganizing information, creating new pathways, and strengthening existing ones through this process. Accept these natural rhythms instead of fighting them, and your learning journey becomes much less stressful. Trust the process even when immediate results aren't visible to your conscious awareness right now. Fatigue is temporary, but the pride of completion lasts far longer and feels incredibly satisfying. When you finish what you started despite tiredness, you build self-respect and genuine confidence. This confidence then transfers to other areas of life, creating a positive upward spiral of achievement. Each time you follow through, you're training your character and strengthening your willpower muscle. Conversely, quitting when tired trains your brain to always choose comfort over growth and accomplishment. Which person do you want to become? Someone who finishes or someone who habitually quits early? Your daily choices in these small moments are literally creating your future self's identity. So here's my challenge for you. Set one small English goal for today and complete it. Maybe it's learning 10 new words, watching one video without subtitles, or writing 5 sentences. Whatever you choose, commit to finishing it even if you feel tired before it's actually done. Then come back and tell me how it felt to push through that resistance successfully. Remember, champions aren't born, they're built through thousands of tiny decisions to continue forward. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and answer this question in the comments below. What's your small English learning goal for today, and what reward will you give yourself afterward?